Hi, I'm Darlene.
I'm Marty.
Today we have our good friends with us.
Hi, I'm Red.
Hey, I'm Jill.
And today we are in Bacalar. Woohoo!
Bacalar is approximately a 4-hour drive south from Puerto Morelos. For this trip, we decided to rent a vehicle. We booked into the Azul 36 hotel, and we picked this one because of the location. It's a cute small little hotel with about 12 rooms, but the location was right in the center of town. Click on the link in the top right corner for the review of this hotel. Let's go for a walk. Just a short walk away is the San Felipe Fort, which houses a museum of piracy and the local history of Bacalar. There was a fee to actually enter the museum, but we did not do that because honestly, we're here for the lagoon. Right at the bottom of the fort is the main street that runs parallel along the lagoon. There's lots of restaurants, shops, beach clubs, not really beach clubs, more like pier clubs. So you can pay to enter the different clubs and sit out on the pier, go swimming, use the facilities. So we checked out one of the pier clubs just to see what it's like. So they all have a pier that goes out into the water that you can swim off of, jump off of, lay on. They might have swings for you to play on. They'll have a restaurant, and they might also offer rental of kayaks or paddle boards.
Hey, stop.
Okay. What are you guys up to? Oh, fun. Look down at the water, Darlene. Look down, girl. Oh, and look what big fish just swam up. Look what big fish.
So this is the 18th Street Pier. We are here, we're booking a tour on a pontoon boat. The tour is going to take us to Cenote Esmeralda, Isla de la Parotas, Cenote Negro, Cenote Cocalitos, and Canal de los Paritas. So we're gonna go to 5 different locations. Because it's not very busy right now, we're here January 8th, I believe, and we negotiated a price on the pontoon boat for people only. So we're getting a private tour for 3 hours. Normally it's 2 hours, and the price we got was 2,000 pesos for all of it. We can also bring our own drinks, food, whatever, and they have a cooler and they will supply the ice. So we're going out tomorrow. Yay! Okay, and we're off, and this is our captain, Miguel. Hola, Miguel.
Bacalar is known for the stunning lagoon of 7 colors. The lagoon is the second largest freshwater lake in Mexico, and you can do a variety of activities there such as kayaking, sailing, snorkeling, swimming. You can also explore the Laguna Bacalar Ecological Park, where you can see diverse flora and fauna, cenotes, and you can do all that from a boat tour. All along the waterfront, you'll find Airbnbs, little hotels, private residences. What a place to live.
You can see how shallow the water is here, and as we go further in there, it's going to get up to 100 feet deep. Oh yeah. And all of a sudden it drops off to a big black hole.
If you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
So we're gonna go over the Emerald Cenote. This one's about 50 meters deep. So again, show you the depth change. Right now, if I got out, I could probably walk here beside the boat. That's how shallow it is. And it's all sand. Like, we don't see any rocks or anything. Now the water has dropped off. So this is a hotel, and this is a hostel. Next up is Stromatolites. It's 70 to 80 meters deep. This cenote is very important because it has stromatolites, or in Spanish they're called Stromatolites. They may look like rocks, but they're actually living things. They're formed by thousands of bacteria. They represent the oldest life form on Earth. They're over 3.5 million years old, and they produce the oxygen that we breathe and capture CO2 through photosynthesis. There's only 3 places in the world where these can be found, and Bacalar Lagoon is one of them. The ones here are up to 10,000 years old. There was no wind for the hobby cat, so they had to paddle it. So this is Bird Island. This is where one of the spots that we get out and swim for half an hour. And it's very shallow here. And lots of boats here. I really wish the sun was out so you could see the amazing colors of the water. And we're not that far off from shore either. Some of the birds that you'll see here are the mockingbirds, parrots, herons, snailhawk, larks. So this thing here that looks like a pirate ship, it was actually about 25 years ago a guy came and he was going to build a restaurant, not taking into account that he's building on sand. And because it's an ecological sensitive area, they stopped him and the thing sunk anyways. From this channel to the ocean is about 100 kilometers. This channel actually protected Bacalar during the invasion of pirates because it's so shallow here, big boats couldn't get in here.
And then it was back to the pier. Day 1 was amazing. It was a lot of fun, so stay tuned for the next video and find out what day 2 looked like. Mucho gracias.